Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 3 and we are going to talk about simile and metaphor. But before we start, let me introduce my group mate. They are Pratiwi Firza Hafifah, Salma Rashida Sukma, Denise Salma Gintajani, Denada Yesika Rindiana Eka Paksi, and me, Fanya Rizkiana. They are for topics that we are going to discuss today. There are simile, there are metaphor, the differences, and the example in poetry. The first one is about simile. Simile is a figure to speech in which two essentially different objects or concepts are expressly compared with one another through the use of like or as. A simile is used as a literary device to assert similarity with the help of like or as language construct that establish equivalency. A proper simile creates an explicit comparison between two things that are different enough from each other such their comparability appears unlikely. The second one is how do simile works? Similes often use hyperbole or exaggeration or emphasis. In the simile, here are as fast as like me, the writer isn't suggesting that the subject is as fast as like me, but uses the hyperbolic simile to make the comparison and craft a compelling description. A simile are a great way to make writing more exciting and more memorable without losing clarity. Writers often use simile to introduce concert image like a boxes of chocolate into writing about abstract concepts like light. These are four examples of simile. The first one is blind as a bat. Second one is light as a feather. The third one is she losing love is like a window in open your heart. And the fourth one is everybody sees you are blown apart. The next chapter will be explained by Dena.
Okay, for the next is metaphor. First, definition of metaphor. A metaphor is figure of speech that describes an object or action in a way that isn't true but helps explain an idea or make a comparison. Metaphor creates implicit comparisons without the express use of like or as. Metaphor is a means of asserting into things are identical in contrast rather than just similar. This is useful in literature for using specific image or concept to state abstract terms. The next two, how does a metaphor work? The expensive use of metaphors can run the risk of confusing or distracting readers. Your story's point is not impress your reader with clever praise and metaphors. It is to hold their attention and tell a great story. If a metaphor can serve that great goal, then use it. If it doesn't, avoid it. Next. There are examples of metaphor. First, I smell success in this building. Second, he is buried in a sea of paperwork. Third, there is a weight on my shoulder. And the last, this time is money.
Differences between simile and metaphor. Simile compares two things by saying they are like each other, the subject is the object. Similes remind us that comparison is being made, making them easier to understand and follow. Example, falling in love feel like 1,000 cricket jumping around in my chest. So the second method compares to think directly without using like or as. The subject is the object. Metaphors are more direct than similes, which can make them seem more vigorous or more surprising. Example, the sunrise this morning was ocean of honey tasty with powdered sugar.
In poetry, give me a smile with lips stretched away as a rubber band, and in between a set of straight white teeth, dazzling like a mirror ball. I promise not to lose that smile. I'll hold it tight and deep down a handy pocket in a white pebble moon-shaped case. And two, we are floating into the blue, me and my blue balloons over the rooftop of the town. The brown fields and the trees and the downs were floating into the blue. The grass green sea glitters like glass, gulls circle and scream for below.
Metaphor in poetry. The first one is, the tick of the clock is a poem. Even the space between, the echo of hills and corridor squeals, are proof that a poem has been. An empty white page is a poem, a place where the magic occurs. It's a home from a home, where ideas can roam, at least for the poet hers. And the second is, at swimming once, I went to turn from front to back and just keep turning. Just keep turning over and over. Till the swimming teacher said, "What are you doing?" And I said, "I'm a crocodile. This is the death row." I think that's enough for our presentation. If you have any question, don't be hesitant to ask to our group. And thank you.